wanted to make this quick video. This is something that's kind of a hack. It's kind of a trick that a lot of y'all probably don't know. I know I didn't know about it until about 10 years ago. If you're going to cut flashing or steel roofs or any kind of metal, you know, normally we use something like these little tin snips is what they're called. And they work, but if you were going to cut a long surface, you're going to end up with all these wavy lines and like divots and stuff, because it's just not a very straight edge way of doing it. It's like cutting with scissors as opposed to one of those big things that comes down and cuts paper. Well, I've got a trick for you, and it's kind of a simple one. You won't believe that you probably already own the tool to do it. This is just an electric cordless skill saw, or circular saw, I'm sorry. And it doesn't have to be portable. It doesn't. You could do this on a tabletop saw. You could do this with a corded saw or a little cordless one like this. But if you look closely, the blade is installed backwards on this. The blade's installed backwards, so it actually spins with the dull edge going up, and it's perfect. You will not believe how easily it cuts through steel and how smooth it cuts through steel. So I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod and show you, but dude, this is just like a 2-minute hack story here to show you that you don't need a bunch of specialty equipment. You don't need to buy like an abrasive disc or cutting discs or stuff like that. No special tools. If you got a circular saw, we'll just flip the blade around that you already have, and you're ready to go. So let me show you how it works. There it is. It's really amazing how easily it cuts through steel. And this is pretty thin steel, but honestly, roofing steel, which is what I've been using, I just re-roofed the backside of my garage, which is a lot thicker and it's wavy and all the rest. Cut through it just like this. So there's your quick tip from Farpoint Farms. You can just turn your blade around on your circular saw. You'll get a nice, decent, smooth cut. Till next time, my friends, take care.